Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a search bar instead of this search icon. So I'm on my Shopify store, so if someone click on that, it will appear like this. There is a search bar, but it needs a click to appear this search bar, and it looks like so much annoying to me, or someone might not like this thing here. So and the background is blurry, and here it is huge, it is capturing a huge space, and it is actually blocking the other menus on our header section. So if you want to get a search bar instead of the search icon, so you should follow my steps. So first you just need to go to the Shopify store and log into your store. Then I go to the customization section, and then you can see in header section there is no option to get the search button to actually edit the search button here. But you can actually hide the country and the region selector, or you can hide the language selector also. So I'm going to hide it for now, so it look like clean here, so it looks so clean here right now. But there is no option to set up this icon here, so it will work like this. It is actually default, but don't worry, you can just go to simply click on this custom CSS here, and also you can go to the let me show you. You can go to the settings, and from here you can go to the custom CSS, and not here actually, sorry for that. You just need to exit the page, and you just need to simply tap on this, click on this three dot button here, and you can find this edit code option. So you can go with edit code, and if you know coding, so you can actually get a better view or better result, or you can customize it a unique way and a better way. So from here, if you just need to search for something like let me show you, header, search for header, so get the header CSS code. Here is header liquid, so header.liquid, what actually we're looking for. So from here you have to from here, when you are this section, now at that point you have to go to the paste bin. Now after going to the pastebin.com, you can search for this search bar instead of search icon. Currently I'm not able to give you this link, direct link through this video, but you can actually search for that search bar instead of search icon, and you can get this at the first search result. Now from here you can find the code that actually will help us in the point. So but before that, we are going to simply tap on click on this Ctrl+A to select all the codes from this section, and Ctrl+C to copy it. But if you are using MacBook, then you can use the Command A to select all, and Command C to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it in Notepad here. So I'm going to paste it here. So here you can see I have just pasted the base code here, that is actually the default code here. So the only reason is I have just pasted it on the Notepad, just because of sometimes it might not run again, or it might failed to run. So we can use the base code, that actually the default code of that theme, so we can use that again to make that theme or make that website run again. So it's actually a kind of backup. Now I'm going to select all of them from here. For here I'm going to select not this actually, so I'm going to select the first row here, the first row to the last, to the this dash dive. So you can just simply copy it, and after copying it you can just simply simply go with the Ctrl+F or Command F to get this find feature here, so you can find the code from here. So the code is actually let me show you, render and the single column header, and let's see if we got this not here. So let's use like this actually. So render space, and next here it is. So the render header, so you can find a lot of render header but you can also get this render headers search input ID search in model 1, but this is not actually the code that we are looking for, but instead one we just need to find here a percentage. So get the next code where it is, again simply click on next, and here it is. So that's that we are looking for, that with the second bracket and the percentage icon here. So it is the code where we can just customize that code here to get that perfect that expected search bar here. So where we have just lost it again. So here it is. So we can simply tap on it and we can delete this here. I'm going to simply select all of this line. This is actually 250, so you can search in yours 250, or you can search it from the 210 to the 250 row. So you might find that one, or you can go to the 260, and in this range probably this you can find this section, this code, probably you can find it, or otherwise you can follow my method here. So find that code and you have to paste that code that we have actually copied from the paste bin. Now here you can see we have just copied it. So from here the last one is here. So last code is here, it has ended here. So from here we can just simply tap on the save button here to save this code, and let's see how it's look like. Here I'm on the preview. So if I search for it, so here you can see it has just added that code, search bar here instead of the search icon. Yes, this worked perfectly, and you can simply click on customize theme from here. So for you can customize it. So let customize something from here. Like I want to disable the country and region from here, and the language selector. And you can enable it also. You can select the color also of your header. You can find different types of color here, and the button margin if you want so. But right now I don't have any button, I only have the search bar here. So the padding also, you can select the padding of your header, so that increase, you can increase or decrease it. Now right that you can simply tap on save button here to save that changes here. Now let's see if it's worked properly. So let it be load, and let's see if it's work or not. So you can simply tap on view button here. So here it is. So you can simply tap search for like I just remembered the name of my products here. So let's go to the products page, and for this AK-47, so I'm going to search for AK-47 right now. So AK-47 are not that actually. I have just AK-47. Yes, it's working perfectly, and it's also giving me some suggestions with the products actually. So it's pretty awesome, I think, and it is clean and it's working properly. So that's how you can add them, and you can search for this. You can simply tap on that to get the search result here, or you can simply click on that to get to the product page here, and you can see it's also available in product page. If we go to the catalog, then you can find it. We can, if you are on the contact page, then we can also find that search box here. So it's pretty much awesome, I think. So that's how you can simply add that thing. So you just need to paste that code in that expected code row. So you can follow my video, and you can actually note that steps, and you can follow step by step thing, so you don't miss anything. So, and also make sure you have select all the base code here, the default code, and you have make a backup in your notepad or in somewhere else where it's safe, like in sheets, in Microsoft Excel, or in any type of documents. So that's pretty much all thing about this feature, how you can add this search bar instead of search icon. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.